To make these cheesy baked eggs, I'm gonna use mustard greens. Mustard greens don't get a lot of love. Are they bitter? Yes. It has a mustardy taste and it's really, really peppery. So what the mustard green is gonna do is just gonna give this dish a nice little kick. You can always use something like collard greens. You can add field greens. And I'm gonna smash and mince 1 clove of garlic to saute with the greens and a little butter. And this dish is super, super easy. Just gonna put my garlic right on top. This is a cheesy baked egg. So of course I'm using lots of eggs, a dozen. I'm gonna add a ½ cup of milk, 2 cups of hand shredded sharp cheddar, that's gonna add that bite to it. And I have 2 cups of Monterey Jack, which is really, really melty. It will just smooth it out and make it nice and mellow. And hash browns, because it's all the elements of breakfast in one dish. ½ cup baking mix, and baking mix is gonna help it get nice and fluffy because it has the baking soda, the baking powder. Few pinches of kosher salt and cracked black pepper. Just wanna make sure all of the yolk is broken up. So that's done. I need to saute the garlic and the greens, kind of release some of those flavors and counteract that bitterness. Add it to my baking dish with the eggs and cheese, put it in the oven, and that's it. My skillet is nice and hot. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm using unsalted butter because I've already salted my egg and cheese mixture. I don't want to add any more salt from the butter. Ooh, garlic and butter just wakes up your senses. So I'm doing a quick saute on the greens and the garlic because it unlocks the flavor. I want a lot of that flavor to come through in the baking dish. Dump it right into the eggs and cheese. Smells amazing. I have a 9 by 13 baking dish here that I've buttered to make sure that when it's done baking, it comes out easily. I'm just gonna pour that right in there. Not only does the mustard green give a nice little spicy kick, but it also adds color. And the baking mix that I added is gonna make it nice and airy. I have my oven preheated to 350. I'm gonna let this bake uncovered for about 45 to 50 minutes. Oh, wow, that is gorgeous. It's puffed up, it's nice and airy, and I can tell the way the cheese is melted that it's gonna be super cheesy and gooey.